Hey, this is Russell with Auto Paint Plus. We're here at Pro 100 in Post Falls, Idaho with Anatoly and Slav. And they're the guys that own the body shop here. They're great customers of ours. They're fairly new. They've got their brand new Genrock mixing bank in here. And so we're going to take the time to go in with them and watch them do a blend with the Genrock system. So these guys do great painting and we're fortunate to have them work with us today. Anatoly is mixing Lusid's Green Tech GTP210 Sealer. It comes in 3 colors, white, black, and light gray. This gives you the ability to mix the appropriate shade depending on what color you happen to be shooting. The sealer helps improve coverage and adhesion, even to plastic parts. After allowing your sealer to flash the appropriate amount of time, the next thing you want to do is achieve coverage on your repair areas and your new parts while staying out of the blend zone as much as possible. One way to do this is to paint away from your blend zone. Anatoly does this quite well. Second, the key to getting a flawless blend is by applying General Paint's S1918 Basecoat blender. The blender provides a wet bed which allows the base coat to flow properly. This prevents metallic mottling and haloing, which is the sparkly area which can appear at the edge of your blend. Anatoly now applies the S1918 in the blend area, or blend zone. From this point, he will continue applying layers of base coat while gradually moving into the blend zone with each coat until he achieves complete coverage. Don't be afraid to utilize as much blend area as necessary in order to attain a smooth transition. The final touch to a perfect blend, especially with problem colors, is to apply a drop coat with a 50-50 mixture of your pre-reduced base and S1918. This procedure is performed by lowering your air pressure to about 15 pounds, using a half trigger pull and about 18 inches away from the panel at a normal speed over the entire painted surface and into the blend area. The GT211 is Lusid Technology's best-selling clear coat. It is a high solids 2-coat clear, which offers amazing depth of image and phenomenal gloss retention. we're done, and hey, looks great. The blend turned out perfect. How did it work out for you?
Did just fine. I mean, I always use it. It works every single time perfectly.
Do you
no problem.
Half and half with the base coat as well on your step outs?
I usually do that whenever I have silvers.
Yeah.
With this certain color was just fine.
Yeah, a lot of colors you don't have to do it. So the darker ones you can get away without having to do the half and half. The lighter ones, silvers, golds, things like that, that want to try and model on you. But like I said, the S19 is great because it keeps it wet so that metallic lays down correctly and doesn't stand up on edge, causing modeling or what we call a halo, which is a light edge. And like I said, watching a professional do it, it really is great because now you at home can use those same steps to help you.